How to fix error code that says launcher/log access failed in Ghost of Tsushima. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you encounter the launcher/log access error while launching the game, please follow the instructions in this video to resolve it. First of all, you have to open the Windows setting and navigate to the Update and Security. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection and click on Manage Ransom Protection. Next, select the Allow an app through the Control folder access and click Yes to allow them. Then add the game's executable file to the list, browsing to the game installation folder and selecting the games.exe file. After adding the game, search for Control Panel in the Windows search box and open it, and under System and Security, select Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall, then click on Change Settings at the top and select Allow another app. Browse to the game installation folder, choose the game's exe file and click on Open and Add. Once the game is added, you should be able to launch it without encountering the error. If you have a third-party antivirus such as Norton, Bitdefenders, or others, ensure that you allow the game's .exe file through your antivirus program as well. After completing these steps, you should be able to launch the game without encountering the error. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.